What's the meaning of communicative? Communicative. Communicative.
Communicative. Communicative. Communicative refers to the ability or willingness to communicate effectively with others. This includes being able to convey ideas clearly, listen actively, and respond appropriately to others' communication. People who are communicative are often skilled at building relationships and are adept at navigating social situations. They tend to be outgoing and engaging, and are able to express their thoughts and feelings in a way that others can understand. Being communicative is an important trait both personally and professionally, as it can lead to better understanding, collaboration, and success in achieving shared goals.